Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how you can make a good launch on Peerlist. Recently, I launched my component library UI layouts on Peerlist and I got the experience. So I will show you the way how you can make a good launch on Peerlist. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. This is my Peerlist account. So first thing first you have to do is complete your profile. So if I go to my profile, this is my profile. So I have added all the skills that I have. This is my work. This is basically my launch product, and this is the GitHub, and this is the YouTube video I have. These are the projects I have. After you complete your profile, now it's time to launch your product. But before that, you have to do some preparation for your launch. Suppose if I shown mine, I create a video, I create a couple of images like these, and these, and these, and this is the video. So what you can add in the video and how you can create images, let me talk about it. So in the video, try to focus on showing the feature that your product have, so that whenever user see the video, they will just play it and they will see all the things that your product have, all the key things, okay, that makes your product different from all the others product. So try to make the video in that way, because after that, when they're watching the video, if they see anything useful, then definitely they will go to your site and try to explore it, okay, which is very useful. And after that, you need to create a couple of images, and in the images the same thing, you need to highlight the feature you have. This is the OG image that I have for UI layout. I added over here for one reason. So my product basically a component library. So I add all the component on the right side, and I add the motor and the logo. Suppose if you are a user, if you see this image, then you'll definitely know, oh, okay, so this is a component library. And after that, I add a component image and some more component with my product name, and that's it. And this is the hero section image after the video. So if you don't have a video at this on the first place, there's something that I want to show. Okay, so this is my project. So if I go to my projects, then you will see. So this is the project for UI layouts. I add another projects for UI layout pro, which I will launching next week. So over here, just see this image. So I am launching UI layouts pro. What I'm providing? I'm providing pro blocks, pro template. So I need to showcase all this in the images, and that's what I did. And you have to do the same thing for your product. Engaging image, and whenever users see that image, they can understand your product. Okay. Maybe you are wondering how I create these images. So let me show you how I create the images and how you create it for your product. Create all these images in Figma. Okay. So did you see this? All the images I did on Figma. This is the cover image I have with the hero section, and this is the component image I have. And when you are creating image, then the size will be 1200 pixel to 630 pixel. Okay. So you create all these images, and then you complete your projects, and then you launch it. And after you launch it, so now you completed launch, and now if I now you need to post about it. Okay, post about it in LinkedIn, Twitter, and also in Peerlist as well. So for that you need a banner. Okay, so if I show my post, did you see the banner that I create? It looks nice, it looks engaging. So you have to create a banner, and for that what I did, I again use Figma to create the banner. This one you can see it's a screenshot. Okay, it's just a screenshot, and as you can see my UI layers on the top. So if I show you, is it really on the top or not? So now it's on the 7 or 8 position. When I take this screenshot, then it was on the top. But if I now try to create the banner, what I will do? So I will do two things. First, I will take a screenshot of it, which I did over here. Okay, did you see? And then also I will take a screenshot of my component, I mean my product, this one. And then I will try to add that screenshot over here. Then I will use this in the poster. Did you see? It's already on the top, and whenever anyone see the poster seeing you on the top, maybe they will come on the peer list and try to support you as well. So that's how you can create engaging banner as well, and then you launch it in, post all these things on Twitter, on LinkedIn, and also Peerlist and all the other place for like maybe dab to daily dab. This another thing you have to do is add this page in your website. So if I go to UI layouts, so you can see the page I added over here. So you can customize the page. You can add a vote, or you can remove it. You can make it dark and white. So that's all you need to make a great launch on Peerlist. So I believe this video will help you. So please subscribe my channel, go on Peerlist and upvote my product. I'll let the link in the description, and also I'll let the link for all the resources. I mean all the Figma design I have done. So I will add the link on the description as well so that you can use it for your product. That's it guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.